total number of positive cases reported yesterday was 1,202. That represents 6.8% of all tests that were carried out yesterday. 451 of yesterday's new cases were in Greater Glasgow and Clyde, 292 in Lanarkshire, 152 in Lothian and 91 in Ayrshire and Arran. The remaining cases were spread across 9 other health board areas. The Western Isles was the only health board area yesterday not to record a new case. That takes the total number of confirmed cases in Scotland now to 60,403. I can also confirm that 1,117 people are in hospital. That's an increase of 17 from yesterday. 85 people are in intensive care. That's 3 more than yesterday. And I very much regret to say that in the past 24 hours, a further 28 deaths were registered of patients who first tested positive over the previous 28 days. And that takes the total number of deaths under this measurement to 2,754. National Records of Scotland, though, has also just published its weekly update, which you know includes cases where COVID is a suspected or a contributory cause of death. And today's update shows that by last Sunday, the total number of registered deaths linked to COVID under that wider definition was 4,482. 106 of these deaths were registered last week. That is 31 more than in the week before. Of last week's deaths, 82 occurred in hospitals, 18 occurred in care homes, and 6 were at home or in another non-institutional setting. We can never obviously see these deaths simply as statistics, and I think it's important, I know for me and I'm sure for all of us, to remember that every single one represents the loss of a unique and an irreplaceable human being. So once again, I want to send my deepest condolences to everyone who has been bereaved during the course of the pandemic, including and perhaps especially at this moment, those who have lost a loved one in more recent times.